Konnichiwa! Welcome back to NihonGo Quiz, your fun destination for learning Japanese through quizzes. Today, we're diving into something delicious, real restaurant menu kanji. Can you read these Japanese words you'll find in ramen shops and izakaya? Choose the correct English meaning from the 4 options. You'll have 5 seconds to answer. So stay sharp and ready. Are you hungry for a challenge? Let's get started. Time's up! The correct answer is grilled. Yaki is used in dishes like yakitori and okonomiyaki, which is a Japanese pancake. What is this word? Time's up! The correct answer is fish. Sakana shows up in terms like sakanati shoku, which is a fish set meal. What is this word? Time's up! The correct answer is miso. Miso is a must-have in Japanese kitchens. It can be seen in miso shiru or miso soup. What is this word? Time's up! The correct answer is chicken. Tori is chicken like in toriniku of chicken meat. Don't forget to drop your score in the comments to see how well you did. Time's up! The correct answer is deep fried, used in dishes like karaage, which is a Japanese-style fried chicken. What is this word? Time's up! The correct answer is pork. Buta means pork like in butadon, which means pork rice bowl. What is this word? Time's up! The correct answer is tea. Cha shows up in ocha or matcha. Matcha is a green tea powder. What is this word? Time's up! The correct answer is eel. Unagi is seen in unadon, which is a grilled eel rice bowl. What is this word? Time's up! The correct answer is sashimi. Sashimi refers to raw slices of fish eaten fresh. Out for the last word. Be sure to get this right. Time's up! The correct answer is noodles. Men shows up in ramen and ramen. Ramen is cold noodles. Great job, everyone! How many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new quiz. Still up for other Japanese quizzes? Click here for your next challenge. See you there!